out in Johnbury at one of the shooting ranges that we use on a fairly regular basis for classes as well as for our recreational shooting. And right now we're getting ready to eat, so stand by for the epic food video.
Chicken sticks.
Why you eat so polite? People should eat by hand.
Yeah, because it's too hot, so I'm just eating this. So hot.
We're at the shooting range, and today we're shooting new CMMG 22s. These mags, I'm gonna have to put them in a AK-47 chest rig because they're too long. Doing some up drills. Up drills as fast as we can go. And this is Ashton coming. He's come in from Singapore and he's tuning up. He's a returning student many times. Been here for classes and it keeps coming back. So we hope you do the same. Yeah, get over here. Good. You hit the chain. Yeah, again, chain. Go ahead, it's all right. Good. Good. Killing it. You haven't missed one yet. Hit. Miss. That one missed. Hit. 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 Miss. Hit. Aim a little lower. Hit. Go ahead, you hit it. Special. Killing it, babe. Oh my God. Getting so fast. Wow. Oh no, as many as I can.
150?
150? Yeah, no.
Come on. Ready?
Almost.
Yeah, maybe we'll wait for him to like go up first.
50 though.
Ready?
Okay.
Sore.
How about you?
Hopefully I can do at least 3. I'll just do it with the
Five.
rifle.
Just make it 5. Just beat him up. Okay?
I can feel all the push-ups I did on set the other day. I can feel them just stretching my chest out like crazy. Muzzle awareness. This is why I use the strap. Okay, I'm done. So we're on our way back to Bangkok from the shooting range, which is quite far outside of Bangkok. It was a fun day of shooting, really. It wasn't a class, it wasn't so much a training session as it was a fun day of shooting for me and for Ashton, who came all the way here to participate. So thank you very much, Ashton, for coming and making it a fun adventure for us, and a fun day for us at the shooting range. And then tomorrow morning it's back to close protection job. Got to get up at 4 or 5 in the morning and get ready to go to work. So big day tomorrow. Big job on the film production. So anyway, enjoy the traffic. You get to see Bangkok traffic at night. buddy. They didn't even have USBs then.
Yeah. That radio works like sometimes it's even better for us already, you know.
I just wanted to show you guys this. Ashton had this made for me. It's a business card holder with a picture of me, Jackie, and my wife on the front, and the Demos logo on the back. And it's just one of the most thoughtful gifts that I've gotten from a student and a friend in a long time. So thank you very much. You're welcome.
We come close together, hug each other on the shoulder.
No. Thank you guys very much for watching that very long video and staying to the end. It really was just a couple of guys going out to shoot and have some fun and test out these new CMMG 22s. What we learned about them in the end was that they didn't cycle reliably 100% of the time, mine specifically. In part, that's because of either the ammunition didn't agree with the trigger and spring I had in there, or the hammer and spring I had in there. Your bolt stop doesn't work the same way, so you don't have a bolt stop and release, bolt catch and release. You don't have that. Your charging handle doesn't move fully to the rear. It is cheaper to shoot. Your distances are much less. The recoil is much less. Your safety selector switch will be the same. Your trigger will be the same, but it doesn't feel the same. It doesn't sound the same. It doesn't recoil the same. So in the end, while I do like to shoot them because they're much cheaper, you lose a lot of things. The magazines are longer. It's a little bit different doing magazine exchanges. It just feels different in the hand. Magazines don't drop free as they normally would, and you need to run AK mag pouches on your chest rig or your load bearing vest or your plate carrier, whatever you're running with, or your belt. You need to have much longer magazine pouches for it. So in the end, it does take your AR-15 from 5.56 that you're used to and turn it into something different. I'm not a big fan, really, to say that. But I did have a great time. It was a great day. And in Thailand, due to legal restrictions, this is what we got to do. We got to train with 22s. So anyway, my family's having a great time in the bedroom. They're waiting for me to come and put everybody to sleep. So we wish you were here having adventures with us. We love you. We look forward to seeing you the next time. And have a great night. From Tactical Adventurer Thailand, this is David Gray saying good night.
Tell me, brother, what were you the god of again?